Hello, welcome back again to this second episode of Jarek Tutorials, and today we're going to show you how to install Windows 3.1 on DOSBox. So this is the instruction video of how to install Windows 3.1 on DOSBox. This little thing we have here, this cute little thingy to play DOS games, all that. So first of all, you'll know the drill. We would need to go to winworldpc.com, find the library. Then find Windows 3.0/3.1. Then we go down here and pick, let's pick the retail one. And you could click like both of these. You don't know. You don't need to. We could just click server 1. Then we get the folder, which has these 6 floppy disks here. Extract all. And then it'll extract the folder with the floppy disk images. So now we would need to create a folder. We'll create this setup, and now we should open up the setup folder here. We copy the image here by pressing Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Right click. If you have 7-zip, you need to install that. And extract here. Now it copied all of the files, and we should erase these floppy disk images. And now we have the setup folder right here. So now if you have a DOSBox folder, that's fine. Now as you can see, here's all the files for DOSBox, and I'm going to put this right here. And now you see the setup folder right here. And now time to go to DOSBox. And I made this little window much bigger so you can see it. As you can see, I mounted the C drive and the folder, version, and then C drive. And now you should see setup, cd setup, and then we should type setup. Welcome to setup. The setup program for Windows 3.1 prepares Windows to run on your computer. Enter. We'll type Windows, and we should see, it should say name. Let's type Jarek15, continue, and if it asks you these DOS programs, no printers, here we go. It will tell you if you want these, so we'll just click none of the above, none of the above, none of the above, none of the above. I've got a lot of programs. Skip tutorial, and you should press reboot, which would say reboot requested, quitting now. That's okay, don't worry. Click DOSBox, and now you should see the Windows folder right here. Set cd Windows and Win. And there you go. Here is Windows 3.1 working on DOSBox, like usually. We've got games, we've got the accessories, we've got the setup folder, which is usually empty, and main. I think the startup is usually, always empty. Applications, I don't know why, but they usually appear here. We also have Microsoft Excel already installed. I don't know how. But this has gone very, very fast. But thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.